Hello, everybody. This is Young, Dumb, and Sober. I'm Allie.
I'm Petra.
And we're here to drink some non-alcoholic beverages. This is Queers and Beers, but now it's kind of like swines and wines.
Oh, no. Not swine.
What's wrong with pigs?
Isn't that nice?
Oh, how about fines and wines?
Yeah.
Okay, fines and wines, just for this episode. Actually, I don't know, maybe more for this. But please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload new content and every time Petra comes on to do an episode with me. Today, something very exciting happened.
Yes. You want me to say?
Yeah.
I got another cat. Yay! She's beautiful. Her name is Poppy.
Oh, P-P-I or Y?
Why?
P-O-P-P-Y, not P-A-P-I.
No.
That's
Poppy,
not her.
like a poppy flower. She's adorable and very sweet and very cuddly.
Mm-hmm.
And we found out that she was maybe a mama at one point. She had babies. Now she's my baby. And she's gonna meet her brother, Basil, maybe next week. And right now she's just getting settled in.
And the important thing is that she will be taken care of by a responsible, mostly sober mom who she can count on because she doesn't go out and get fucked up. Instead, she imbibes with some non-alcoholic or low-alcoholic beverages. In this case, today we're going to be trying something a little different. I understand that the name of the game is Queers and Beers, and we're supposed to be reviewing beers here, but I saw this alcohol rosé alternative online and I had to get it for us because it looks super delicious. I hope you guys can get through an episode where we're a little bit more bougie than usual.
Yes.
My bitch is bad and bougie, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi.
Oh, you're bougie all the time. Always puppy. The product is called Rock Grace, as in like a pedimented stone and like what you get from God when you don't really deserve it. Rock Grace. Right off the bat, what do you think about the look?
I think it's beautiful. I think it's so nice. Minimalist, super like classy and cute. I think it's beautiful. Simple to the point, but looks nice.
I agree. I love the look of it. It definitely gives like the ambience. And by the way, this is not sponsored by them. Nobody sponsors my videos yet. So if you want to be the first and you own some kind of non-alcoholic beverage company, just please. So yeah, our reviews are always 100% honest because nobody's fucking paying us to do them.
In addition to the bottle, it not only came with this super cute coaster.
2.
That's so cute. I love that they do that. And every time you order a new bottle, you get more coasters and then you just have something.
There you go.
In addition to the coasters, they sent a nice little pamphlet of information about the wine and the company. This wine specifically.
They're not calling it wine.
Sorry. It's a
elixir.
Crystal elixir.
Yes.
Not wine. Rock Grace is a bottled crystal elixir infused with a variety of crystals, botanicals, and adaptogens that encourage vibrational alignment and stimulate strength, grace, beauty, and love. The energy of the crystals and fine botanical and super herb ingredients enhance the elixir, calming anxiety and stress while promoting mental and physical wellness and empowerment.
So basically it's extremely woo-woo.
Extremely.
It's like next level new age.
Yes. There's crystals in it.
I'm all about that.
And then for the tasting notes, they say, Rock Grace is pleasing to the palate, pure and elegant in style, resembling a dry rosé wine.
Resembling.
Blush pink in color and well balanced, it is a vibrant, non-alcoholic crystal elixir with a youthful and delicate nose, hints of fresh raspberry, and floral aspects.
That's really awesome. All of this whole packaging thing is really cool, but they also put on here, I just saw this now, a Rock Grace ritual. And it's 1, take a deep breath, inhale strength, exhale anxiety. 2, say an affirmation. And 3, enjoy a glass of Rock Grace, which I just really like because I feel like what they're doing is building a positive, healthy ritual around drinking something.
And it's an experience. Like, it's not just a product that you're purchasing and consuming. There's like an experience with it where they're like making it more than just a drink.
I'm not sure that they would be able to market this to men, but if that's not their audience, then who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck about men in the first place? I'm just kidding. I'm not one of those lesbians. Let's open it up. I love the look.
It's super cute. It's really pretty. It's really elegant.
Elegant's a perfect word to use.
Yes.
It is a twist off. It has a scent.
It smells like juice. It smells like cranberry juice.
It does. It smells fruity and a little floral. We have fancy glasses. Hear that noise?
That noise is good.
Secretly hoping it tastes like pink lemonade, but I know it's not going to. Swirl it around a bit.
It smells like cranberry juice.
It does. Cheers.
It's good. It's not
very
what
good.
I expected at all. It smells a lot stronger than it tastes.
It's very subtle.
Like, when I first tasted it, it literally tasted like water. And then I started to get a little bit of like fruity, and then I think at the very end you kind of taste that like crystally elixir, but it's definitely very mild, very delicate.
It tastes nothing like wine.
No.
Like not in the slightest.
No.
However, I can still see myself if I was like going to like a friend's dinner party and I wanted to bring something that was like non-alcoholic for myself or for other sober people. I think it's a great option to bring, but I mean, it's an alternative for wine in the same way that seltzer is an alternative for beer.
Right.
Does not taste anything like it, but that doesn't mean that you're having a bad experience.
Yeah.
But you still enjoy it in its own right.
I think it's really good. It's just not what I would have expected.
I taste a lot of the botanicals in it. Like, it tastes almost like rose water.
It does taste like rose water.
It tastes very hydrating as well. Like, I could chug this entire bottle.
Yeah. Baby, slow down.
Old habits die hard. I like it. It leaves a taste in your mouth after you're done with it.
Yeah.
I can see why they're marketing it as an experience. I drank through the experience because I finished my entire glass very quickly. I would suggest that you do what Petra's doing and savor it and enjoy the process. Maybe do the ritual that they suggest.
I think it's an overall fun thing to do. Like you kind of feel a little more like spiritual and relaxed when you're drinking it. Even though it doesn't taste like wine or it doesn't taste very strong, I think it's more about the experience and the like feeling good about what's in it because it's like good for you and you feel like it's bringing you good vibes.
Yes.
It's cool. I like it.
I'm happy that it doesn't taste like wine, actually, because I think that would maybe even be like a little bit disappointing. Like, part of it is the fact that it's doing something good for you.
Yeah.
Because that's like the difference between having a seltzer, a non-alcoholic beer, and this. Yeah. This has like a nice little unique taste to it. They really are not sponsoring this, I swear. Yeah. And on top of that, there's just, even if you don't really believe in this stuff, like, there's just that thing in the back of your head that's kind of like, oh, I'm ingesting something that's like
beneficial,
good for me.
Yeah,
which is really nice. I'm definitely a fan of it. Oh, it does have rose water in it and organic raspberry. That's what it is, raspberry. And then it also has adaptogens, which I'm pretty sure that like adaptogens are like legitimately good for you, like science says so.
I have no idea.
It's a class act, I would say.
I'm so on board with it.
So look, we love it. Taste, we love it. Nutritional value, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, which, I mean, essentially it's a bottle of water.
Yeah.
But it's a very fancy, potentially beneficial bottle of water that you experience rather than you drink.
Yeah. Nutritional value is great.
Perfect, yeah. And then there's the cost. And after you know that it's a very beautiful bottle of experienced bottled water, it probably would be a little bit hard for people to justify spending $30 on it. And it's only $30 because shipping was $15, which is a lot, but it's also common when you're buying beverages from like small companies. Like that happened with Athletic Brewing as well. That's fine in a sense. I also got a discount because I used another sober influencer's code because she was promoting it. I got like I think 10 or 15% off, and I still ended up paying like a little bit over $30 for it.
The bottle itself though was like
18 with something percent off.
Okay.
Whereas like a decent bottle of wine, you'd pay anywhere from lowest 12 to highest like $18, $19 if you're not trying to get something like super, super fancy.
Right.
The kind of audience I see drinking this is the people who will afford this.
Yes.
Like I see
the like richy rich but woo woo people that are like they just have money to spend on this and what are they called? Yuyi eggs?
Yanni eggs.
Yanni eggs. They got money to spend, but they're also mad spiritual.
Yeah, for sure. Which is like kind of what I aspire to be.
But also I feel like this is something that like you're not going to have all the time. It's not like you're going to have a bottle of this every week. Like this could be a nice thing just to like have for like special occasions or like days that you just want to like have a really nice relaxing day in. Like I feel like it's something nice to just have on hand for like special moments that you want it. It's also accessibility. I'm curious if they sell this in any stores.
I highly doubt it.
We could get this at the liquor store by us. I definitely buy it more frequently than
same. And it came super quick. It was here in like 2 days. It was really, really fast. So overall, I'm gonna give it an 8 because it is unique. It's creative. I appreciate the marketing. It tastes great. It's just a little costly for my liking.
I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
Nice.
The only reason I take a little bit off is because of the accessibility.
Online.
Having to order a beverage online is like a little
Yeah.
But like, other than that, I love it.
Yeah.
I love everything about it. I think it tastes good. I think it's like a cool experience.
For sure.
Obviously doing really amazing like marketing and just, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
So I'm on board, but I wish I could get it at my local liquor store.
Okay, guys, that has been today's episode of Queers and Beers / Fines and Wines. Fines and Wines. Definitely the link in the description of this video, and hook yourself up with a bottle of Rock Grace if you're into it. I suggest it. Totally worth the try. Even if you choose to not continuously get it, it's definitely worth trying once. That's it. It's been real.
It's been fun.
It's been real fun. Okay.